All right, something else that you need to do um, is to uh, remove the framing tables that you used. And I mean, not the whole table, but just the lines. Okay. So what I mean by framing tables. So in order to make your figures and the captions down below kind of line up and allow you to kind of frame them in your report, you created a table. So this was a table with two columns and two rows. And at the beginning, I said, go ahead and leave these black lines in because it lets you see that this is sitting inside of a table, um, and you can change it later. Well, now is later, so it's time to change it. So what you can do is just click on the table itself to select it. And let's see here. If I click this little box that appears, if I left click on that, it selects the whole table. And now I can go to table design. So notice this table design menu does not show up if you don't have a table selected. So if I click here in the text, you can see that table design menu disappeared. But as soon as I select the whole table, now the table design menu shows up. And you see where it says borders? If you don't click here, click down below where this little caret is. If you left click that, it gives you many more options and you can click no border. So if you click no border, you can kind of see it's giving me a preview of what that'll look like. See how the lines go away. So we can just left click and now those borders are gone. So that's all we're going to be doing is just going to each of these figures, like this one, clicking the entire table, make sure like just one cell isn't selected. Make sure the whole table is selected. Go to table design and put no border. I don't have one there. Here's one. Table design, no border. Here's another one. Select the whole table. Table design, no border. Ah, here's one. Okay, so we're going to select this one, this outer one. Let's see here. I hope it doesn't get rid of those ones. Let's see what happens here. No border. Good. I left that inner table alone. Perfect. And here's another one. Um, Table design, no border. All right, here's one. So I used a table to format this equation. So table design, no border. Okay, here's another one. Table design, no border. This one's fine. Yeah, we'll leave this one alone. That'll be okay. I think typically maybe you wouldn't want this to be kind of boxed like that. All right, let's change that. Let me show you how to change that. So we want to get rid of the bottom border and the left and the right border. So make sure that this cell is selected. And under borders, if you click bottom again, now the bottom goes away. And if we click right, this right line goes away. And if I click left, then the left border goes away. Okay, so I'm going to leave these because this is actually a table. And that'll kind of help organize the data relative to these descriptive statistics for these two random variables. So that's okay leaving that, but we can make this caption look like, it's not attached to that by just removing the bottom right and left lines on that cell. Okay, here's another one. So put no border. Here, no border. Oops. Select the whole table. No border. 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 Now here I've got some equations. So I used tables to kind of keep those organized. So as you can see, I'm just going in, just clearing these out now that I'm done. All right, so that's quickly how you can remove the framing table lines.